Hey guys, how are you all doing? Since January, I've been receiving a lot of questions about relationship issues, but the reason why I've not been replying to those DMs is because I had to also do research on my own to be able to answer these questions correctly. So I have 3 questions here today that I'll be answering, and we'll be doing this every Monday. So the first question we have here today goes like this: why is it so hard to be alone after a breakup? Emotional overdependence is the biggest reason why people suffer loneliness after a breakup. When a relationship sails smoothly, they seclude themselves from everything and want nothing else but their partner and the relationship. And so when the partner exists their life, loneliness comes to haunt them. Second question is, should I send my ex a closure test? Yes, you can send your ex a closure test if that will make you feel better. But specifically, a closure test should be sent within 2 weeks of the breakup or not at all. If you feel a closure test will make you feel better or heal faster from a breakup, then do it as soon as possible after the breakup. If weeks and months have passed since the breakup and you're still obsessing over your ex, then it's not advisable for you to send a closure test. You need to heal. Yeah? Alright. So the third question goes like this: is it normal to feel lonely after a breakup? Yeah, it's normal to feel lonely after a breakup. Loneliness is a natural byproduct of any relationship loss. This is someone you've shared some part of your life with. This is someone you used to talking to every day for some period of time. So it's normal that as the person exists your life, yeah, you feel lonely. You miss that person. That void will be there. But don't dwell on the loneliness for too long. Yeah, these are the 3 questions I've answered today. Follow my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel, all at Merciful Chris. Yes guys, see you all again next week Monday. Bye bye.